Today I'm here with this 2015 Chevy Impala, and it has leather heated seats, backup camera, remote start, and much more. I'm Alana here at Woodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gray exterior color. First, I want to point out these amazing teal accents on your badging. That's in the front and the back and on the steering wheel, so you'll see more of those later. Then you have your projector beam headlamps with accent lamps below, and this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. Looking down at your wheels, they are 19-inch alloy wheels and a nice design there. And your side mirrors are chrome capped with indicator lights on them. They are power adjustable, and you have blind spot monitoring, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your front seats. We have these gray leather seats. You have some white tubular stitching on the sides. They are power adjustable and they are heated, so super cozy. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, your adaptive cruise control along with your cluster controls and your Bluetooth streaming, and again with that nice teal sparkly accent right there. I just love that. It gives it a lot of personality. You also have your audio controls on the back there, and your media center has your radio controls with your presets. You have your Bluetooth controls for your phone, so you can connect your phone, make phone calls through it, and you can use that compass. You also have your OnStar. If you want to use that for navigation, you can subscribe to it. You have your settings here for those, and then down below you have your radio controls here. You can open that up for a hidden spot in the back with a USB port. And then you have your CD insert there with your climate controls. They are dual, so you can adjust the settings there. Have some wood grain accenting down below, 12-volt there, 2 cup holders, and then you have your heated seat buttons. Next to your center console, open that up, you have that top layer, more room down below with a SD card reader, USB ports, and an aux port with another 12-volt. Looking up, again, you have OnStar, which you could subscribe to. And let's take a look at the back seats. Okay, so looking in the back, it is very spacious. You have room for 3 passengers. You can also fold down your cup holder armrest that has 2 cup holders in it. And then making your way around the sides, you have your LED tail lamps, your LTZ, and your V6 badging with that rear sensing system. And you also have a backup camera so that you can see what's behind your vehicle when you are in reverse. So this does have a power trunk and remote start on your key fob. But look at how massive this trunk is. I mean, you can fit lots of stuff back here. So overall, love just the unique touches on this Chevy, but also the amazing features like those heated seats and that media center. So if you want to see this Chevy Impala or any of our other sedans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from?
From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it?
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure,
Yeah, no.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have. If you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle, WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.